what I'll be sharing to you right now is about a very known security flaws or web vulnerability. This is just one of those can uh, compromise the security of your site. Yeah. So, but first, thing that I'll be sharing to you right now is for educational purpose only. Basta ganon. Then, if you cause any damage or you use this to harm someone or that may cause damages to other person, I don't hold responsibility to that. Responsibility. Pugo! Okay, so most of the time when we develop, when we create our site, is we tend to forget the security aspects of those systems. We only do it anyway because of onsalan, for compliance. Yeah. Then what happened is when we put these very known features, like if we're going to make a social media site, just for example only, or any system that will enable us uh, to update a photo. If we are not careful in those features, it can cause damage, or it can make your site vulnerable to this thing that I'll be sharing you right now. So what I have in here, what I have here is I have this site for testing. So one computer, though this one is simply, what's this, simply demonstrates the the real world situation, but as of now this is just in local. So if you're going to visit here, if you're going to log in, so you cannot access this one because, yeah, as what I've said, this is local. After we log in, we'll be redirected to the very ugly homepage. And this one, we can go to the feature, the left side menu, which offer us to upload a file. So basically, uh, it will ask us to choose an image. So, but sometimes, most of the times, we tend to forget to filter or sanitize those inputs from this field. So, like for example, if we're just going to make a very, if we're just going to upload a regular image, it will show this notification that our file is successfully uploaded. Uh, successfully uploaded. So let's what's this? Let's try this one now, huh? Let's try this. I have this file. Yeah, I have this file. Let's see, text that text name.txt. Let's try to upload this one. Yeah, file also successfully uploaded. So what's the problem now? A feature that is trying to get or expected the user to receive a photo or image format, receive a file which has file extension which is txt. So this is a problem. There is a code that never trust your user. Never, never, because your user sometimes have these evil thoughts. Yeah. So let's go to the fun fun part. So since we can upload a file which is not an image, we can still upload it in the site. Let's try to upload our script. Huh? This is the fun part. So I will just type this one. Weebly generate password. Next to generate is the password. Then the name of the file that we're going to be saving. Okay, our file is generated. Yeah. Now what this file does is very somewhat dangerous but also amazing, because this will allow us to get a remote access, backdoor access, backdoor anything, backdoor shell, or what's this? I forgot the other terms. But this will allow us to get in the site using this file. So let's try to upload it first. We will go to our very beautiful at the same time ugly site. Let's browse, go to the location of the file. Sorry sa langas. Location of the file, then upload it. Yan. Our file is successfully uploaded. See? This is a very, very dangerous vulnerability, because the next thing that this file will allow you to do is very, yeah, it's very cool. So we see here that our file is uploaded in this directory. So let's copy this one. Since we are in upload, then vulnerabilities, so let's put it in dvw, then paste here. So as what you can see, it's empty. Though it is empty, it is a white screen. Yeah, it doesn't mean that the file doesn't exist, because if you're going to check a file that doesn't exist, it will return this page: not found, the required blah 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 is not found, was not found on the server. So this white screen means that it exists, it does exist in the server, but it won't allow us to what? Access. Yeah. So now let's copy this URL. Copy. So copy that. Then now we have the location or the path where our file is located. So to access the shell, just simply put type this one. Type Weebly, then the location of our file, the directory, and the password that we did set. This one we put this password. See, we have now the access of our beautiful, at the same time ugly site. So if we're going to type ls, it will list all the files. So we can change the file, we can input a file, or if we're going to type rm tapos the name of our file is h.php, it will delete our file. But since we are in the directory, watch this, watch what will happen. See, it will erase all the files. This line of code will erase all the files in the server, all the files. Though maybe sometimes we get this error that we are not we don't have the permission to delete this file, but still this, though some files will not be deleted, but it will totally crash, it will crash your site. What if you have a very sensitive datas, you have sensitive datas in your system, and somewhat you don't know that this can happen, you will lost all those datas. So see, features is good, yeah, it's really good, but we must make sure that every time we add certain features must be sanitized properly, because there are a lot of flaws. This is just one of them. And see, with just few lines of codes, now our site is broken, and it can't unless you have backup. But still, if you are working in a company and you are assigned to that site, or you are responsible to that site, pack your things, because if this happened to the site that you are in charge, then probably or most likely you will get fired. So guys, that's all.